Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of the Nerd Mechanic. Today I'm going to be talking about a particular phone case that is pretty cheap on Amazon right now. This is called the Arjust case. Now, this case is all aluminum. I have my own opinion on it. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you how to install the case, and then we're going to talk about the pros and cons of the actual case. So stick around and we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this case on my own phone. I'm just going to show you guys exactly how to put it on. It's fairly simple. It comes in this nice little case. What you do is the first thing, you're going to take these screws out. I believe it actually comes with these screws out in the package. Like I said, I didn't actually buy this. One of my friends from work actually kind of gave it to me. So just putting all the, you guys probably couldn't see it, but I'm just putting all the screws in a little magnetic bowl right here because these screws are like super tiny and I don't want to lose them. It felt fine in my pocket. It's a little bulky. It is, like I said, it is metal. I'm used to having more of like a hard plasticky case, and it did feel a little bulky. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I took those screws out, and what it did is it got me these right here. These basically go on the ends, and then they're gonna hold onto your cell phone. Okay, now that I have these two little pieces right here, they go on the top and the bottom of your phone. So I got my phone right here. It's my personal phone. It is a Galaxy S8 Plus. Yes, I am an Android fan. Apple, you know, we're not going to go there. Maybe in another episode. But anyway, so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is the camera portion. That's where your camera is going to go. That way you know which way to actually turn this case. So basically, here's my phone, put the phone in there like that. And these pieces that I just unscrewed off, I'm gonna put them over it just like that. I believe that one went there. I really don't think they matter. I think they're both like the same size. So boom, there you go, it's on the case. It does come with those brackets off, and it actually comes with these off as well. There's screws right here too. So you literally have to put this thing together. If that's something that you guys want to do, great. I mean, with me, I want to get a phone case, I want to pop it on, and I want to take 2 seconds, and I'm off, and I'm ready to go with the phone case. But here it is. I just installed it on my S8 Plus. So they do make this for like other models for iPhones. I mean, of course, if you do drop this, I'm sure it'll absorb some of the shock of the drop. And I mean, that's really it. I mean, I just think it doesn't protect the screen that well. Maybe if you went out and you bought one of those little tempered glass protectors that they sell for phones, you know, you might have a better chance. I would definitely recommend that because usually that absorbs the shock first when your phone falls or hits something, and that'll crack first. Metal is going to interfere with a signal. Now, that's the problem that I had with this phone, and honestly, that's the problem that my friend had with this phone case as well. This is why he said, look, here you go. I want you to try it, do a review on it, and, you know, just let me know what you think. And yes, I had it on for about a little over a day, and guys, I'm telling you right now, I don't know if it was my area. It can't be. I live in the city. I live near a city. I work in the city, and I know there's plenty of signal, and this definitely interfered with my signal. I wasn't receiving text as quickly. They were taking a longer time to be sent out. In my opinion, is it worth it? I believe it's 25 bucks on Amazon. If you want some type of cool, different look, yeah, of course it's worth it. It's 25 bucks. Why not? You know, Now, if you want delayed text and pictures and posting on social media and getting lost because your GPS signal is dead, then this is the phone for you. Other than that, guys, it's really not a great case for anybody, in my opinion. A metal case, no, not gonna do it. Final thoughts. I kind of said it already. Cool looks, good for like cosplaying and you know, dressing up and you want like a certain theme. As far as practical use for a phone, not that practical. It protects somewhat, but not really. But then again, it takes away other features of your phone. So no, I would not buy it. And like I said before, please let me know how you guys feel about this case. If you have you know, bought it or bought something similar, let me know if you have the same problems. I'm sure this is why they don't make a lot of metal cases in general, because of that problem. Hey, what can I say? They got a nice box for it. I guess that's the only nice part about it. But you know what, guys? Thanks for listening. This is just me talking, reviewing, being a nerd, being a mechanic, and this is what I do. If you guys like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you love what you see, consider subscribing. I'm going to try to get a lot of these types of videos out. Hopefully I will see you guys later. Thanks a lot.